Hello everyone, myself is Sagar. Welcome back to another video. We are solving SQL 15, the lead code. So far we have solved our 10 questions. Today we'll be looking into the next set of questions, that is employee bonus. Okay, so let's see the question. Okay, so what it says, we have a table called as employee and it has column names, has employee ID, name, supervisor, salary. The employee ID is a column with a unique value. That is means this is a primary key. Okay. Each rows of this table indicates the name and the ID of an employee in addition to their salary and the ID of their manager. Okay. We have ID and present the salary and even ID of a manager. Okay. We have another table called as a bonus, which has employee ID and bonus. Employee ID is again unique for this particular table and it is a foreign key for this table. Okay. This employee ID is a foreign key for this particular table. Each rows of the table contains ID of the employee and their respective bonuses. Okay, great. They have a bonus. Okay. So write a solution to report a name and the bonus amount of each employee less than 1,000. So the bonus should not be greater than 1,000. It should be less than 1,000. There is a condition. And the result should be in any order. Let's see the data. Employee table. Employee ID is 3, 1, 2, 4. Brad, John, Dan, Thomas. Supervisor. These are the managers. Okay. So that means Brad is a manager of these 3 employees. Since it's a null, we don't have any ID for the supervisor. That means he's a manager. And for John, manager is 3. Since supervisor ID is 3, that is Brad is a manager of John, Dan, and Thomas. Okay. And their salaries are 4,000, 1,000, 2,000 and again 4,000. Now bonus is what? 2 and 4. That means only for Dan and Thomas he got a bonus. No other person has got bonus. So what? Thomas has 2,000 bonus. Not even manager is getting bonus. Wow, great. Thomas has 2,000 bonus and Dan has 500 bonus. So what was the condition? That is less than 1,000. So in our output, what? We don't need to show this bonus of Thomas. That's great because nowadays every company says don't show your bonus. That's the reason might be. Now, so output what is they saying? Brad is null, John is null, and Dan is 500. That means we have to show all other, that is for manager, Dan and John, when whatever the bonuses they have, since that is less than 1,000. So this is a simple case of left join, right? So let's see in Excel how the join works. So we'll take copy of this, we'll paste it here. Let me zoom. Okay. And again, we'll take bonus one and we'll paste here. Now, in the output, we just need what? We need name and bonus, right? So for output, we'll take from here name and from here we'll take bonus. Now what we are doing? We are doing left join. When we do left join, is 3 any matching record is there? No. So what we get? Only we get has a Brad here. And since there is no matching record, we'll get here null. Okay. Next, what we have? 1. There is no matching. Again, what we get? John here and here as null. Okay. Now next what we get? 2 matches with 2. So we get what? Dan here and what's here? 500. Okay. Now next 4. 4 matches with 4. What we get? Thomas. We get here Thomas and what we get here bonus as 2,000. Now, so since in the output they have asked not to show this. So what we can write in a where condition where bonus is less than 1,000 we can say, or another what? Bonus is null. It's not bonus, it's bonus. Okay. Bonus is null. This is a where condition. It's simple left join. So let's see the solution. Okay. Select what we are doing. Say name, comma, bonus. That's what we want. From what? First table is what? Employee is the first table. So let me copy this. Employee E. Now what we are doing? They are saying this E. From this employee table, we are what we are taking? Name. So E dot name. And what we are doing? Left join. We're doing left join of what? Bonus. And what we'll do? We'll do alias as. And since this is coming from bonus table, we will do it b dot bonus. Now on condition. On condition is what? Employee ID. Since these are the matching same records and matching from both the tables, we say e dot empid equal to e dot empid. Okay. Now if we do this, we get this old result. But what we need only this condition in the where clause. So just we'll do what? Where what we do? E dot bonus is what? Less than 1,000. That's simple. Or b dot bonus is null. That's it. Let's run this. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, there is dot missing. See, when you solve these kind of questions, right, you'll understand what you are missing in the syntax error. So what all error you are missing, you'll understand it. So that's the reason we have to keep on practicing on the platforms like this. See, all the test cases are satisfied and we got our desired results. Okay, hope you understood this question. We'll continue this series and we'll see the next question in the next video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.